Hi, it's Aleene here. Have you already started making your Christmas cards? If not, this Merry Christmoose stamp set from Unity is so cute, you got to have him. I've already stamped and colored him with some colored pencils and created the bubbles with the Nuvo jewel drops. And I'm grabbing my Distress Oxide inks here along with Tim Holtz Stencil Set 20, which is the Christmas stencils, to create my background. So I'm starting off with antique linen here and inking up the musical notes on the top and bottom corners of my card, and also inking the background so that it does not look so white. Next, I'm grabbing the Evergreen Bough color and the Christmas words stencil here and choosing the words that I want to ink up. What's great about this stencil is you could select what words that you want to ink up and you don't have to ink up the entire stencil. And because it's a Christmas card, I'm grabbing the Candied Apple color and just adding some red dots to the background. Now it's time to assemble the card. I've already fussy cut the Christmas moose, and now it's time to adhere down my sentiment. I'm just using my fingers here to create some mountains and valleys so that it kind of has a 3D popping effect on my card, and I'm just putting glue to the both ends of the sentiment to adhere it down. Then just put glue behind the Christmas moose and voila! It's done! So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!